Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm gonna show you the stages, or I should say the various status of your Canada citizenship application. Before I proceed further, if you've not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, this screenshot was shared to me by one of my known person who has applied for the citizenship, and I'm sharing this with you. Okay. Now see what are the things they have. Like this is taken from the citizenship application tracker. So you have first language skills where they determine your language skills. Like of course there's a minimum language skills required for most of the applicants. So that you determine that they determine if you have that. Then also physical presence, like if you have been physically present in Canada. Of course, there are some exceptions for under certain occupations, but that is determined over here. Citizenship, okay, like you know Canada enough to become a citizen, then your background verification, and then prohibition, and finally citizenship ceremony. When everything is done, the ceremony goes, and then you get through. Then you become a Canadian citizen. Now, in language, as I said, they check language, physical presence, citizenship, background verification. They check your background if there's anything that is not good in and that falls against you. Prohibition, if there's anything that prohibits you from getting the citizenship of Canada. And then, if everything goes smooth, the final is citizenship ceremony. So this I have got from someone, so I'm sharing it with you guys. Let me know what you think about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.